Good evening, everyone of Facebook land. My name is John Boardman, and I am one of the Sunday school teachers at GAP. GAP is a Sunday school class at Thomas Road Baptist Church, and it stands for Graduates and Professionals. This class is for people who just graduated from college and are just entering into their profession. We have Sunday school class at 9:30 every Sunday morning, and the classroom is room 274 in the LCA part of the building. I hope to see everyone there tomorrow for class, and you have a great Saturday night, and God bless you. The reason why I'm putting this video on Facebook is to give people a little preview of what we're going to be talking about. Not only am I shooting this video for people who are going to be there, but also for people who are unable to attend because of certain circumstances. One of the reasons why I'm doing this lesson of grasping God's Word for effective witness is I'm hoping that this message will excite you to want to witness, the same way that self-improvement books, videos, and seminars with information on success excites others. What a great way to learn how to witness through God's Word, because its pure instruction shows us on how we can be successful. And these methods were used by Jesus Christ himself. Jesus used the Old Testament, which he only had at the time, for effective witnessing and also revealing that he was the Messiah. Now, I remember one Christmas, my dad asked me, what do I want for Christmas? And I told him that I wanted Arnold Schwarzenegger Encyclopedia of Bodybuilding because I wanted to look like Arnold Schwarzenegger. So I bought the book, and with all the information that I learned from it, I was so excited about that I could not wait to get into the gym to try these techniques out. Now here's a question that I'd like to ask y'all is what self-improvement book, video, or seminar that you went that empowers you to want to live successfully, and why? For those who will be there tomorrow, I look forward to seeing y'all so we can discuss on Acts chapter 2. And for those who will not make it, I have already posted the lesson, so that way you can kind of read about it and stay informed. And hopefully we'll see you tomorrow, and you all have a good night, and God bless you.